In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from India to Dubai. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to, of course, go to wise.com, create an account or sign in if you have one already. And after you do that, go to the Home tab and click on the Send button over here. After this, you're going to have to select your currency. So you're sending from India. So likely you are going to type in India and send Indian rupee. And then the recipient gets, you want to type in basically Dubai like this. There we go. And it's going to pop up United Arab Emirates Dirham. Okay. And you want to click on that. And here it's going to basically allow you to type in how much you want them to get or how much you want to send. I'm going to do, I want them to get 100 of their currency. There we go. It's going to tell you how much you have to pay. You're going to have to select what you want to pay with. So either bank transfer or your Wise account if you have any money on here. You can set it when you want it to arrive, so you can schedule this if you want to. Then you can see the total fees, and you can also add a reference for recipient, which of course is optional. Now, I cannot press continue over here because you must be residing in India to use bank transfer to send from INR. So as you can see, of course, I'm not right now in India, so I cannot do this. But if you are, you'll be able to press continue. And then you're going to have to select the recipient and the method via which you want them to receive the money. So it's going to be like a bank transfer, card transfer, or something like that. So just select it, fill in the info needed, and then press continue again. And then on the review section, you'll be able to review everything. And if you agree and everything does look fine to you, the fees, the amounts, and everything, you can go ahead and continue again. And then you can initiate the payment. And after you do that, your money is going to be on the way to them. Okay, so that's how we can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.